Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in the Jamaican language. Make sure you follow our YouTube page for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the news. One-time president for the Nurses Association for Jamaica, NAJ, Edith Alwood Anderson dead. She died yesterday afternoon at the Kingston Public Hospital. Mrs. Anderson been a one nurse for almost 35 years. She been served as the NAJ president from 1997 to 2000 and from 2005 to 2010. 11 more smaddy dead from corona in the country. This brings the death toll to 1,768. 4 people dead in St. Elizabeth and 2 people dead in St. Anne and Clarendon. The rest of them go on in Kingston, St. Thomas and Portland. According to the health ministry, the people them dead between September 3 and 16 and them are look in 7 other death too. People who in a hospital from the virus gone down from 760 to 726. 2 gunmen killed one couple in a Woodside district, Claremont, Clarendon, and shot 1 teenager. The dead people them are 61 years old Thelma Nemard and 68 years old David Nemard. The 2 of them come from Woodside. 1 19 years old woman still in a hospital. According to the police report, the 3 people them been in their home in a them house when the 2 gunmen come in and shot them up. The couple dead on the spot. The police report said them find 4 guns and 1 bulletproof vest in our operation pan Cherry Tree Lane in a 4 parts Clarendon yesterday. 1 AK-47 rifle, 1 AM-15 rifle, 1 Smith & Wesson 9mm pistol, and 340 gunshot. According to the police report, between 4:20 a.m. and 5:45 a.m., 1 police team from Maypen CIB, Area 3 Major Investigation Division, and the Operation Support Team and Specialized Operation do an operation. Them find the things them in the barrel when them search the place. Nobody no get locked up. 1 nether judge dead from coronavirus. The judge are Horace Mitchell and him being work at the St. Elizabeth Parish Court. Him dead at the Mandeville Regional Hospital yesterday morning. Mr. Mitchell dead nearly a month after Stanley Clark dead, who been at the senior parish judge for St. Anne. Chief Justice Brian Sykes said Mr. Mitchell and Mr. Clark been love them up and the court system lose 2 good people. On top of that, the Chief Justice said him sorry to the 2 of them family member them and them friend them. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in the Jamaican language.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.